Having super white teeth seems to be everyone's dream. Having super white teeth will give you a beautiful smile, undoubtedly. It will also boost your self esteem and confidence with just these few natural remedies, which will cost you little or nothing because a lot of persons have, these ingredients already in their kitchen, and around their houses. Maybe you are one of those who are scared of showing their teeth publicly and also thinking of booking an appointment because of this, okay? Thinking of booking an appointment and the dentist until you look at your bank account and see that you don't have enough extra money to go for the visit just yet. Okay, you may think you need an expensive dental laser to have your teeth whitened. This video is a full package. Okay, I'll help you save up your money and I'll also get help you get your desired results. Okay, you don't even need to visit the dentist. Hello, once again, and welcome back again to my channel. This is Odonge Recipes channel, where I give you natural homemade recipes for a healthy living and improved lifestyle. Please be sure to click on that subscribe button to support this channel, and also click on that like button. Okay, give this video a massive thumbs up. All right, guys, as you all can see, I have one big ginger. I have Colgate Maclean or toothpaste. I have a big lemon, and I have baking soda in that plate. Okay, it's baking soda that is inside. I'm just going to go ahead and scrape out the back of the ginger and okay, I'm going to scrape the back of the ginger. In case you guys do not know, ginger helps remove plague and prevent cavities. Those little food remnants in your mouth that cause tooth decay, smelling mouth, or can even discolor your teeth. Ginger helps to prevent all these. Another major thing that ginger does is that it strengthens your gums and prevents inflammation. Some persons are highly prone to inflammation. Their gums usually get really red from just brushing their teeth. They could get inflammation. Ginger helps prevent all this. Chewing on raw ginger prevents oral infections, cavities, gingivitis, and also removes plaque, like I said earlier, okay, due to its main ingredient, which is gingerol and raffinose. Another major ingredient that I have here is the lemon. I'm just going to cut my lemon into two. I'm going to be using one part. In fact, I'm not even going to finish extracting the juice from one part. So you guys are going to see the quantity that I'll be using. Ignore the coloration of the lemon. It is not bad. Okay, it is not spoiled. It is actually good, but I don't know why it has this color. So, but before I will be using my lemon, I'll first need to grate my ginger, or the ginger that I cut earlier on. I'm just going to be grating it with this massive grater that I have. You guys just ignore the grater and focus on what I'm doing. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is known for lightening the teeth. Not to mention, lemon has antibacterial properties that kill the microorganisms living in the mouth. Of course, we cannot see these microorganisms, okay? They are really very tiny, and lemon kills them. Lemon contains high acid level in the peel. Yes, the peel of the lemon contains high acid, which is a great whitener or even bleaching agent. Yes, some persons actually use lemon peel to prepare those bleaching um creams that people rub, okay, organic and so on. But we are not even here to talk about this. You can use the lemon in two different ways. Use the peel to rub on your teeth or squeeze out the lemon juice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be squeezing out the lemon juice in this video. I will not be using the peel of the lemon, but one I'm gonna do a video on that pretty soon. But then let's focus on squeezing the juice out of the lemon for today. Okay, also, so guys, the next ingredient that I have here is the Colgate toothpaste that I'll be using. I'm just gonna be squeezing out a little bit of the toothpaste, into the already grated ginger. Colgate toothpaste, I really love this toothpaste because it prevents cavities, gingivitis, and other gross germs, those smelling germs that trigger bad breath and other problems. Now, this is my baking soda, and I'm just going to be using a little bit. I don't need too much, of course. Just a little bit. The quantity that I'll be using, I think it's half a spoon. I don't know the measurement, but you guys can see that I use just a little bit. So I'm going to be squeezing a little bit of the juice into the already grated ginger and my Colgate toothpaste. Guys, do not use this method more than twice a week. In fact, I will personally recommend that you use it once a week. Okay, use it once a week. And there I have my toothbrush. I'm going to be using one new toothbrush. Okay, you can use your old toothbrush if you want, but for the purpose of this video I'll be using a new toothbrush. And then I'm just gonna rub everything in, like turn everything in. The grated onion, sorry, the grated ginger, the little Colgate toothpaste that I used, the baking soda, and also the squeeze, lemon juice. You have to really turn everything so they mix very well. You guys can see the consistency of what I have. It is thick, it is pretty thick, and this is how yours should be. Please take your time to mix them pretty well. Now I'm just gonna use it to brush my teeth. You guys can see the color of my teeth. I'm gonna come closer. Okay, my teeth was not really white at the initial stage. I'm gonna come closer for you guys to see the color of my teeth. It was yellow. It was yellow. Okay, and then I started using the tooth. Okay, now I'm coming closer. You guys can see. Yes. It's not white, okay? It was not white at the initial stage, but you guys are gonna be wowed at the final result. When you guys see the final result, I'm sure you'll be wowed. It would be almost unbelievable. Please, like I said earlier, do not use this recipe more than once a week. This is because lemon is really very acidic, okay? The component of lemon is very acidic and it can cause tooth decay. It can destroy the enamel in your mouth by ruining the calcium in your teeth. So please, I beg you, do not use this for more than once a week. Now you guys can see the after results. My teeth was sparkling white, guys. Look at it. Just take a look. Look at, can you see it? Can you see it? I'm sure it is even almost unbelievable, guys. This recipe works like magic, guys. I cannot even begin to tell you guys how happy I am with the result that I have now. How happy I am with the color of my teeth, guys. It is giving what it is supposed to give. Please, like I said earlier, do not use this recipe for more than once in a week. Okay, if anything happens to your teeth and anything happens, don't say I did not tell you, because this recipe, it is really very powerful, and it will give you a desired result. Even you yourself, you will see it by the time you use it once a week. I'm sure you won't have any other reason to use it twice a week, except you want your teeth to be shining like the sun. Like maybe you want others to need sunglasses before they can actually see your teeth. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please be sure to give this video a massive thumbs up, okay? And subscribe to my channel, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.